Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram repost option not showing. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is to exit the application, and then from here you're going to search for it on the Play Store. So search for Instagram. Once you find it, you can see right here it will need an update. If your application is also showing that it still needs an update, then make sure that you click on update, and so once you refresh the application, it should be there once you open it. If it still doesn't, then what you can do is you can close it. Then from here, go back to Instagram once you updated it. Then go to your profile right here in the bottom right section. Then you're going to go to the top left section where you can see the three dots or dashes. Now from here, you're going to scroll down until you see the for professionals. And from here, you're going to click on either business or creator tools and controls and click on it. Once that is done, you make sure that you switch your account type back to personal. And once you switch it back to personal, then you will have that option appear. Once you open on any post, it's going to be this right there. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.